Hey, what's up, guys? Mike Bush here from the Smart Lazy Hustlers channel. And today, in this video, briefly, I'm going to show you how to get a US number directly on your phone. So, for those of you who've been asking how to get a US number, I believe this video points you to the right direction. So, if you're new to this channel, just make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon close to the subscribe button. So, next time I drop videos like this, you wouldn't miss out on the show. Okay, so guys, let's just go straight into the video so you can see how to get a US number for yourself. Okay, so the first thing I do, here's the interface of my phone. So I just click directly on the Play Store application, and it opens the home page of the store, and I just type in Test Plus app. Okay, you can see the first one here. That's Test Plus application. So I just click on it. And if you look closely, you will see the Test Plus here and also Nest Plus. You know, they are basically from the same developers, right? So if you choose Test Plus, it's the same as choosing Nest Plus, right? So these are the two applications I'll be using. But for the sake of this video, I'll be downloading just the Test Plus application. You know, that's my favorite. So I just click on it. And I forget about the reviews, okay? Just forget about whatever you see here. Just click on install, and it takes you, it starts installing. So it's as simple as that. All right, so right now it's installing directly to my phone. It takes a while to complete the installation process on the phone before we can start using the application, you know. And boom, you know, we're done with the whole application installation stuff already. So I just click on open, so it takes me directly to the application on the phone, and it takes a while to load. Okay, so just below the home page, you see two options, which is either sign up or you log in. Okay, so since this is the first time, we're going to be signing up as a new user. So they say local information allows us to provide blah blah blah, whatever, man. Don't have time to read all of that. So I just click directly on continue, and it takes me, okay, it asks me, do you allow Test Plus? Yeah, no, yes, whatever stuff pops up here, I'm going to be clicking yes. I need to get a US number. So you can see the access to impute a username, and I impute Smart Lazy, and my password, I just type in something. And I click agree to the terms of use, and I click sign up, and it's verifying if I'm a robot or not. I'm creating my account already. Oops, I just click allow, man. Whatever, I just click allow, doesn't matter. Okay, here we are. It's pretty simple. You can see right now we're on the interface of the stuff. Okay, so here we go. It says welcome to your new phone service. Your account username is smartlazy-1. Okay, so there's nothing else I can do here. Just going directly to my phone contact, you know, just to see my new phone number. All right, tap to get your free. Okay, so I click there, and they ask me for my state. I'm just gonna choose, well, I'm a big fan of Florida or Hawaii. You know, here's a very nice place for vacationing. So I just click there, and I click OK, and they ask me for my, oops, okay, they said no phone numbers for Hawaii. So I'm just gonna choose, where else am I going to go? I think Ohio is a nice place. I love it. So I just click on Ohio, and that's what I wrote there. So I select an area code, all right, 330, just a random one. So, and I get a custom number, and you can see they ask me to verify if I'm a human. I click here. Okay, so I just answer some puzzle questions, and that is it. And I click next. Oops, all right, I just answer again, and I verify, and okay, one moment you will validate, and here is it. Fuck. Okay, these are not not necessary. Okay, so they say my new number is 330-408-3626. Okay, you see, it's pretty simple, and here we go. So okay, they said I can give it a try or send a message. It's free. All right, so they said congratulations, your new phone number is +1 330 08, blah blah blah. And one other thing you have to know is that you should be active on this application at least once a week to make sure that someone else doesn't take your phone number. But nevertheless, if perhaps your phone number gets missing, you can always request for a new one, since it's not like a business line or something. So definitely you can just request for a new phone number. Sorry about the ads, it's quite necessary for them. But over here at this extreme, at the extreme here where they have the 3 lines, okay, that's where you can go to and see your number. Okay, that's it here, over here. And also you can set up a profile if you wish to have a profile. That's my business now. Okay, so that's basically how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to show you how to buy credit for your phone. That's your new phone number. And you can see over here we have a store, and the store is $0.00. So I can decide to get credit from my line, and I just click here. You can see I buy credit, right? And I'm gonna buy here, right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on buy credit, and you can see I already have a MasterCard. I link to my Google ad, and you can see they say GPay, MasterCard, whatever, with the ending numbers as 7777. So I just click on buy, and it's loading. I choose the last digit. I'm gonna buy with the second one, 777. It's quite functional. So I just click one tap buy. Okay, just one tap buy here, and I just click on it, and they say touch the sensor, and I use my fingerprints to validate my security. And I just touch the sensor of my phone, and you see it's processing. Payment is successful, and you see what happens, right? Thanks, purchase successful, thanks for your purchase, and that is it. And you see I have $1.99 on my phone as my airtime credit. Okay, so that is it, guys. Nothing much here, and with this stuff you can call any client anywhere in the world, United States, Canada, Europe, and Australia. Just anywhere you want to call, place a call to. This is how you do it. All right, so whenever you're done, just click on sign out, and boom, that is it. All right, so thank you, guys, and make sure you hit the subscribe button after watching this video, because I'll be showing you how I use all of these to make money. All right, thanks, guys, for watching, and have a wonderful Valentine. Bye bye.